Hello, families. Because open house is tonight and we're getting information out to you at the last minute, I wanted to make sure that everyone was really clear on how to access the various teachers' meetings tonight. So you should have received this email because it will have the link to the video once I actually put it in there. And it has a link to a couple of files also. Okay, so the first one is this file, which gives you an overview of the night. Okay. Um, from 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock, I will be in this Google Meet that you can access from this link. If you need any support with your Google meetings tonight or with portal access, I know a lot of folks are still trying to access the portal, so I'm available during that time if you need some help with that. From 5 to 5:25, there's also a meeting that we have to hold every year about Title I funding. So Allison, our Director of Curriculum and Instruction, will be running that session, and you can access it using this link right here. At 5:30, the senior admin team is going to be available and doing some opening remarks. And so this link here, the third one, will take you to that meeting. Then throughout the rest of the evening, the administrative team should be available in that same room, and I will keep my Google Meet open for the tech support so that if anyone pops in, I can help them answer their questions. Okay. This is the actual schedule for the rotation of parents going through their students' classes. And it's replicated in the email that I sent you right here. So at the bottom of the email, you should have, your student's name. So I just put sample student, just like you see the subject, your open house schedule for, and whoever your student is. Okay. So what you're going to do is hopefully come to meet the admin team and hear the opening remarks at 5:30, clicking this link. So at 5:55, when the session is over, you'll go look at your email, and A block for your student has Spanish 2 with Dio Costa-Curas. So the other file that I've given you a link to, this link right up here in the email, has a list of all of the teachers, and it's alphabetical by their last names. So you go and find the teacher. So here's the Spanish teacher right here. And this link over here is the link to his meeting. Click that, and as long as you've clicked it before 6 o'clock, you should be right in there and ready to go. Actually, if you're a couple of minutes late, you can join in and you should be able to participate. At 6:13, the teacher should wrap up and you should start leaving the Google Meet to head over. We're trying to give 2 minutes, so if you need to grab a drink, bathroom, do something else, 2 minutes is hopefully enough time to accomplish that. And then at 6:15 p.m., you would go to your student's B block teacher, which in this case is Lainey Richards. So again, we would go back to this list, find Richards, and click the link to go to that meeting, okay? And so on. So all you have to do is just follow this schedule and use this living document right here to find all of the teachers. You'll notice a couple are still missing. We're gathering those today while I'm recording this, but by this evening, everybody should have links in there. Okay. And again, if you have questions before this meeting starts from 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock, you can find me in this Google Meet video chat, and I will try to help everybody as they come in. If it turns out to be a lot of people, please either wait your turn patiently, or you can leave. And if your student has a prep period or something like that, like I said, I'll be available throughout the evening, leaving that room open in case anybody has any questions or trouble. So you can access me there later on in the evening if I'm too busy here. Okay. Hopefully that all makes sense, and we hope to see you tonight. Bye-bye.